Apple red, so juicy and sweet. Take a bite, it's a tasty treat. Mango yellow, soft and fine. I love to eat it all the time. Fruits are yummy, fruits are fun. Eat them daily, one by one. They keep us strong, they help us grow. Fruits are best, don't you know? Banana is long, so soft and bright. Peel and eat, it feels so right. Grapes are tiny, green or red. Eat a bunch before your bed. Watermelon, big and round. So much juice can't be found. Orange is tangy, full of zest. Fresh and juicy, it's the best. Pineapple spiky, but so sweet. A golden fruit, a tasty treat.